Once again, thank you so much for tuning into Eswatini TV, the #1 TV station. And thank you once again for tuning into Mind Over Matter. I'm so excited about today, Mbugeli. I'm also always excited about this program because we need a better understanding. Doing the better understanding, we're not doing it alone. I'm doing it with an expert, our psychological counselor, who's going to help us through today. But before we even get to the party topic, welcome, Kajin. I'm so excited to have you again today on the show because when I have you, I know you'll have all answers. We have solutions. Welcome back.
Thank you so much, Mbali. Thank you, Babugele Makaya. It's nice to be back.
Yeah, you know, every time I call you through, you want solutions because the problems are a lot.
They are overwhelming. Understood.
Yeah, talking about overwhelming, man. Namuhla sikhuluma about trauma and PTSD.
Yes.
A good thing about Mind Over Matter is that we break down the topics, or rather the issues that we think we know about. Talking about trauma and PTSD, can you just break it down for us? Trauma.
Okay. Yes. So, trauma and PTSD, ma situations lehlukene, but lelenye yendeka as a result of lelenye. So, trauma is when kwendeka simo, ubhekana nesimo. Angibekise nje rape.
Yes.
It's unfortunate nothing ngibekise ngayo, but nje rape is quite traumatic. So, trauma yendeka ke lapho khona kwendeka simo lesi very, very, very emotionally damaging. Yeah. So nayo ki rape yendeka. So it's the emotional response. It's the physiological response lo experience. So trauma, it's not a situation because if you remember, siyasa khuluma ukuthi bantu ba respond differently. Lo munye bayam rape asukume athi, you know what, akugcini lana, God has a plan for my life. But lo munye falls apart. So trauma is not the situation, it's how you respond to it. It's the physiological response, the amount of stress you experience during that situation, the amount of anger, the amount of helplessness that you felt during that situation. Yeah. That is the trauma.
Okay, then PTSD? Abbreviation.
Okay.
PTSD, what are we talking about?
So PTSD umele post-traumatic stress disorder. Okay. So PTSD yendeka after trauma. So that's why post means after. So PTSD yendeka nako ke urepile urepiwe. So PTSD ito landzele emva kwaloko. So PTSD uyibona ngalendlela losobuka ngayo timo la ngiyabekisa nje bakurepa usendleleni uyemsebentini noma ekhaya. So le PTSD ita manifesta ngokuthi usesendleleni la exactly la maybe wadibana naye lo muntu khona mawufika kuleyo ndzawo uve so panica uve awusakhona lutho awusayikhona lendlela uyesaba. Kufika lapho khona awusakhona ngisho emsebentini because uyesaba ngiyo ke le PTSD ke leyo. So PTSD is always a result of a trauma experience.
Oh, that's why it's called post.
Yes.
All right. What really causes this? What really causes trauma? Traumatized in a trauma, but what really causes?
So trauma, many situations can cause trauma. Yeah. It's an exposure. It's an exposure to abuse. Abuse is kuluma physical, mental, emotional, sexual. And then pinza trauma inga resulta from accidents, yes, natural disasters. Bantu nje baba traumatized na kunesomiso in a country. Abakhoni kulima, abakhoni kwendani. So ukhanze tilwane tiyafa, bantu bayalambe emakhayeni. So kwakha a national trauma nje lapho. Lokunye lokubanga ke le gugula. I-COVID nje yabanga i-trauma kubantu labaningi. Bantu bagula besaba ukuthi ngabe sitawuphila yini. Ngabe makwamuto utovuka yini kulesimo lesi. Lokunye ke ngilokhu witnessa umuntu ashona ngibekisa nje umuntu afele etandleni takho noma uthuthu uyangena ukhanza umuntu utikhungile nange uyalenga lapha etulo. So lokho kuyayakha ke le trauma noma i-PTSD.
Yeah. So when it comes to trauma yakuva ukhuluma ngemuva loshone etandleni takho ureacta nini noma ke affecta nini because qaleni siye sayikhulumisa yenzabe ukuthi khona simo la khona ureacta immediately khona but when it comes to trauma cause kuyatholakala ukuthi umuntu mhlambe nje bese asibeke sephinde sibuyele enzabeni ye-rape bakurapile mhlambe you are 3 years old or 5 years old now you are 26 years old and you're okay. Okay, I don't know if you're okay, but you were not reacting. Yonke le mnyaka. And 26, you get into a relationship and things start to change in your life. Iba khona vele time frame lokuthi I know she'll react later and not now. Noma it differs from bantu.
Ngiyabonga. Ngitayendlala kahle lama sesifika kuma symptoms but nje to answer your question, i-trauma ayinayo i-time frame. Labanye bantu immediately during in fact the exposure baba ne trauma immediately after the exposure baba ne PTSD lo munye utoshona makwakhe nge-COVID bamgcwabe kahle athula sethu anam anga react angendi ini baze basho labanye ukuthi hey emgcwabeni wama kwakhe akakhalanga sakhala sonke yena nje angakhali so bakubuke kwangathi kusho sakamthanzanga no usesekule simo sekuba nam usa processor kusengasinki in because ngisho nale ma stages nje ekuprocessor ahlukene kusene denial grief acceptance uyabo so kuya ngokuthi ukusiphi ukuyiphi level but nje i-PTSD iya manifesta immediately to even years later.
Yeah. So before we get to the symptoms, because I want us to talk about that, must be a good break, Guanyalo, because I don't want us to cut it. But before we even go there, Guanyalo, I just want us to talk about, do our people aware? Kusha's value, I'm traumatizer. No, it's a conversation that we have to have with people that we stay with or people that we live with.
That's a very powerful question because bantu bantu aba realize ukuthi trauma kahle kahle what does it really entail. So in a trauma based on lesimo ukuthi sendeka kanjani. So angibekise nje bagcekeza ekhaya nako ke bayagcekeza mina bengingalali ngalelo langa noma ngavuswa sengiva kuphihlika sivalo noma se umsindvo uyabo so years later kunalokho kuthiwa ama triggers letintfo lengativa ngalelo langa ngiba traumatized ngilawo ke lokho ma triggers years later so mangabe kwakhala tipunu kwakhala sivalo kushothi toba I trigger yami le makuwa sipunu kwentekani I trigger yami le ndo I'll go into full panic mode labanye ke bese ngilapho ke la ngena bo bullying ngilapho la ngena khona making fun of people kuthi hayibo wena bukani bhuti wena umdzala ke uthufuswa info lencane kanje lo munye walunywa dinja but nyalo nemdlwane uyamthusa uyabo so le trauma bantu labaningi abakafundisekile ukuthi kunema triggers and lawo ma triggers ebantu as much as it looks so little to you kwangathi kulide lo munye umuntu kumkhumbuta lobuhlungu noma lobuhlungu labhekana nabo leso sikhathi nakabhekana naso so kufuna ke bese sewuyam understand lo muntu ukuze ukuthi angabi traumatized again wasuse lama triggers ungahlekisi ngako labanye nje abantwana besikole ukhanze sibamcosha ngayo lento la isabako uyam traumatize again you are delaying nale healing process.
Talk about the healing process when you come back from an air break. I want us to talk about the symptoms first, like to go deep on that. So wabona njani ma symptoms enzabe trauma. Bukeli still watching Mind Over Matter. Ngibali ngakasimilane. Don't make sure that you don't go anywhere. A lot is still coming just after this. Welcome back, Mbukeli. This is Mind Over Matter. Namhlanje sikhulumisa indzaba lemcwa kakhulu Mbukeli ehlelweni. Sikhulumisa indzaba ye trauma. I know a lot of people think they know the meaning noma ke kuthi nawukhulumisa indzaba ye trauma ukhulumisa eni. Lokuhle ke kuthi namhla we have an expert ngikhuluma ngaye velile ke Mbukeli. Lo sitako kule topic ya namuhla. Velile before in for an ad break ngishidela ukuthi nasibuya sitawukhulumisa kahle indzaba yema symptoms, just go deep on it. Ukuthi ema symptoms e trauma ubona njani?
Okay, ngicela kuchaza kucala before ngikhuluma ngawo nje ukuthi ema symptoms e trauma ngile PTSD. Okay. I-trauma waze nje wakhombisa timpawu ukuthi hayi ngathi khona lokukhona kusuka kungile PTSD. So kude ukuthi kune ma symptoms e trauma. I-trauma i-symptom nje lengiyona ngile PTSD. With that said ke the biggest thing in intrusive thoughts. Or intrusive memories. So that means my intrusive thoughts or memories is khulumela ukuthi usahleli nje uzama ukubhala leyo exam noma nje usazama ukufocus awenda umsebenzi wakho kuphela ukubuya lokho ukuthi yo kwagcekezwa ekhaya and nabagcekeza ngesaba kakhulu bathatha ini bangigwaza kuphi babu wami wabamgcoba ngani so kuba nalama memories apho kubuya nje apho kudlala in your head. And then on top of that, if it's not the memories ngilamaphupho utikhanza kulukhuni lokuthi uvuke nje ungakabhuthi kahle nje sonke isikhathi mina uhlala ubhutha kabi nakhona ubhutha the same thing over and over ubhutha leyo event and nalamaphupho ayakutfusa kuba ngathi you are actually living through it again and again, and that on its own is sort of like reliving the experience because it feels exactly the same way. Nale heart rate, it feels the same way. Nale adrenaline rush, it's exactly the same. Traumatized. So that's the first thing. Second thing, usazama nje ku-maneuverisha around this trauma, this exposure. You avoid people. You avoid not people, but you avoid that circumstance or the environment la kwendeka khona that situation. So nako-ke kwagcekezwa esikolweni. So uyesaba ke wena ke esikolweni noma nje kwaba yi-shoot out awusafuni wena ke kuleyo area kangangoba awusakhona and kuya-progressa ucala ungafuni kuleyo ndzawo lapho khona kwendekele trauma khona. From then onwards awusafuni nje nalokuphuma endlini because now life is unpredictable, anything can kill you, stuff like that. And then another thing, it's negative thoughts, negative changes in behavior, thought. So when apambilini, you were very positive, you looked forward to life, but now life is unpredictable. Life is life. It's a dog eat dog world. We're in trouble. We're in danger. Anything can happen. So you are constantly living, looking over your shoulder. Is anything going to happen? Is anything going to happen? So that's an example. That's another symptom of PTSD.
Yeah. Are people aware of the symptoms that we are talking about?
People, I think by now, all my experiences, we would say I'm going through this, but they are unable to identify it or they don't identify it as trauma. Bona nje baxoxa futhi even badlala ukuthi hey mine angisahambi mine lapha lapha eBloweni bathi kunesipoko lapha kuhanjwa lapha yabo. So someone was once traumatized. And so that trauma has become a national trauma. So people are not aware that it's PTSD, but it is actually PTSD.
You know, talking about making fun of situations like that. I just want to ask you, patients to come through to seek help. Why do you think we always make fun of those words, or rather we use them loosely? I think traumatized. We even make fun of that. Depression, or is it because in knowledge is when it comes to mental health as a whole, noma trying to heal as we are making fun of it?
It's lack of knowledge, it's lack of understanding, it's lack of pinpointing emotions as they come. Ema emotions, again, le psychology, it's a very Western concept where it pinpoints and names each emotion as it comes. We have the basic emotions in jabulo, kukwata.
That's it.
That's basically it. So sesekusha lokho ukuthi in fact just sithathe ngemagama awona le trauma, ayona le PTSD ukuthi ngeSiswati siyibeka kanjani. So in other words, we don't have the words to describe it. So it's not yet part of our culture, which is why ke kulula lokho ukuthi umuntu umdlalise ngento le actually lemtraumatize ko again. Kulula ku downplayer ema emotions emuntu nakathi yena uyesaba. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention another trauma symptom. In a case of rape, a very classic example of PTSD. So it's very difficult to speak about it. Why? Because they feel they blame themselves. So PTSD has a lot of self-blame. It has a lot of guilt. shame. So utokhanza ke ukuthi le bullying ke lokhuluma ngayo ukhanze ukuthi la khaya sebahlekisa ngaso lesimo, it's because nabo they don't know how to deal with it. So nabo they are ashamed. They don't know how to maneuver. They don't know how to support you. So if we don't know something, the natural inclination is to make fun of the situation.
Talking about that, Velile, which is very important, then how do we make people understand, I'm not only talking about the family, but also at school, a community as a whole, how do we try and understand inzaba ye-trauma so that mhlambe sitawukhona kuphathana kangcono, you know, singabi triggerishana, you know, at times, yeah, something like that. How do you try and understand that part?
Because utokhanza nje ekhaya babe lekungiyena inhloko yelikhaya senguye lazubako makuwa emabhodo senguye la jumpy, very fidgety. So with that question in mind, people need to understand ukuthi PTSD or trauma, a reaction to trauma, is not a sign of weakness. It's a body's physiological response again to perceived danger or danger that was once experienced. So we react differently. Labanye baze bathi chamele, labanye bayamemeta, labanye abakhona ikulala, labanye abafuni nje kwakona lokujola, labanye abafuni nje kwakona lokushada, labanye, it's a lot. So it's not a sign of weakness. Just because when awufuni ukubuka umshado, it's not, you're not weak. Yeah. It's something that needs to be unpacked. Yeah. People need to now learn, how do we unpack? How do we support this person? Kuze ukuthi naye atogcine seka overcome your trauma. And people also react differently. I think I did say that. People have different responses to trauma. It's unfair to say how Moslono ube right when so you are being dramatic. It's unfair to do that. So it's very, very important to be vigilant of the different trauma responses, and then also be vigilant of lama triggers as well. PTSD, you can keep having it ngokuthi leyo situation ipholo kuba khona. Ngiyabekisa nje ungamletha umuntu lo rape ngibaba wakhe for counseling, ngidam counselor, right? But what if lo baba wakhe akaboshwa angithi dibitendlu uyabo lo mfana utawusuka lapho officeini lami abuyele kubaba wakhe ichubekela igcine khona, PTSD icalele phasi again. So if we really want to deal with the PTSD or trauma response, we need to remove the triggers. It's a tough one because sometimes removing triggers means very breadwinners, where now that becomes a very, very, I'll say, political issue. Yeah,
that's true. You know me, I'm about healing, but we're going to talk about that when we come from an air break. So we're going to make sure that you don't go anywhere. Trauma and PTSD. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, Mbukeli. So hleti naye Mbali wakasimelane umngoni Mpembe Ndlebze Mchwane ngihambisana naye Velile wakandlovu Mbukeli sikhulumisa indzaba ye trauma. A lot is going on today as we are unpacking this. I know now ekhaya khona lokubuka kusho ukuthi I think I've seen this somewhere, or I think nami I've gone through this, and by the end of the episode I know khona udabufunzile. So make sure ukuthi solo yachubeka uhlala nathi ubukela hlelo iMind Over Matter. Velile, you know me, I'm about healing. The other time I asked to get completely help or healed or totally. I'm also going to ask again this time around, because how do you manage trauma? Nalokuthi vele kuyenteka yini vele ngiphole ngithi nangene ekamereni lababe vele kungabuyi lokho bukhona katseni ngibe right nje noma ngabe sengiva ipunti ikhala yabo ngitive nje solo ngahle. Do we ever get to the point according to you and helping people professionally?
Definitely good esilonza lesingapholi. Ngibeke nje kanjalo kude lokungendluli kude timo letingendluli, but before tendlula kukhona lekumele kwendeke ukuze kuthi tendluli. Number one, in a case of trauma, kwecala nje kwecala kunako konke ngiloko ukuthi kufuna siphindze sicalele phasi sidrawela ama-boundaries of safety. So what happened during the trauma, during the rape, a personal boundary was crossed. Lele ngati ukuthi personal space yami, personal room, ngiyati ukuthi baba wami ngibabe la khaya, but uhambe agcine la, that has been infringed upon. So loko kufuna ku re-establishwe again. That can only be re-established through le psychoeducation ukuthi look, your father yebo wakwenda kanje kanje, but no, it was not right. So you need to re-establish those walls of safety. The person must know, must be aware, because le TB tendlu ngito le tenda le trauma icalele phasi ngiloko ukuthi asitikhuluma isitimo sithi thangela phasi kwelimethi sithule sisithu. So ngiyadiphendula la ngcondweni yami so ngiba traumatized again and again. Baba wami bekangithanza yini. Lesho ukuthi babe makangibabe kufuna ende njena. Bonke abantwana yabo uphila nayo lendvo leyo. So re-establish, reaffirm, restate i-safety yaloyo muntu. Then number 2, ngiloku process ale trauma. Many people again njengoba ngisho bathanyela under the rug abakufuni ukukhulumisa. As much as angifuni icambe manga kulukhuni kuyikhulumisa info because that means now kukhuluma kusho i-memory kusho kubuyisa konke lo kwendekile. So kufuna lapho kuthatha isikhathi. And kuthatha isikhathi mbamba so kufune lento yendeke in a very supportive and structured environment. So kufuna leyo trauma iprocesswe ikhulunyiswe ibukwe head on icatululwe ukuthi okay kwendekani weva njani uva njani inyalo nakungashintsha lutho unganjinjani no it wasn't your fault bongeke wende lutho kulesimo lesi uyabona yini ukuthi bo helpless because many people they blame themselves for le trauma ukuthi if only maybe I ran faster. If only maybe ngamsheshe ngamthatha siswami incenge bengeke kwendeke man. If only bengingalali isikhathi. So people are just filled with regret. But iqiniso lithi kuhambe kube khona lapho khona kude lo bongakwenda.
Yeah.
Kude nje lo bongakwenda. And lokunye ke ngiloku regulator the nervous system. In other words, i-nervous system angithi i-trauma ngilokwe ukuthi i-nervous system ibe triggered. Nervous system ngilo fight or flight. Lo fight or flight isho ukuthi lo mtimba uhlale athibuta ukuthi ngiyabaleka noma ngiyafreeza ngiyathulisa. So i-trauma so ngiko sonke isikhathi nje nakwendeka simo udikhanza sonemandla longawathi nethachami kephi. Ngamcukula umfana imoto beyimshayisa ngathi nami nezwe lo Superman bachami kaphi. So that's a fight or flight. Lo munye uthi ngafreeza ngathi ichamela ngamemeta ngakhala mine ngaphela. So that's the fight or flight. So kufuna siphinze sibuyele back to the nervous system ukuthi siyi-regulate. So how do we regulate that? Kufuna siwa-target nama trauma triggers. Mangabe nje kuwa kweskiya noma banging of the door kuyangitriggerisha, we need to deal with that. I need to now deal with that, help you through that. Kugcine kungasakutriggerishi njengoba ubutile ukuthi ama-triggers agcine ahamba phela and yes ahamba phela. But through extensive therapy sessions. Naloko ekugcina ke ngiloko ukuthi people definitely bayati isolate. I-trauma iyak-isolate because you are now in your room crying. Why me? Why me? Shothi vele angithandzeki. Why me? So i-trauma how to manage that is that ufuna ubuyele back into kuphilisana nalabanye bantu nakhona labantu nabo kufuna bacale bakhulunyiswe because you can't be reintegrated into society when society will re-traumatize you. Athaphinze bakuphinze angithi uthanza kuhambele emuva angithi ngiyanje uxoxa nebafana yabo. So kufuna ube le community icale iyafundziseka nge-trauma how it is and then lo muntu nasabuyela back to the community kufuna loyo muntu abe ne-support. So angabi isolated because isolation means your mind can go as crazy as it wants.
Yeah, true. You're busy talking about inzaba ekufaka TB tendlu, which is real and it's something that is happening. Kepha kule line of work yakho, how do you deal with situations like this? Do you get to a point where you then call the parent, call song if the counseling I think to understand ukuthi lo mfana nakeva ticket khala kusuka akhumbula babi nakavula umnyango kamelweni. Does it ever get to that point noma you deal with the child only or noma mhlawumbe udila nabo separately?
Definitely, family therapy comes into play. I-trauma nje nayendeke ekhaya. Angibekise nje ngilobawe waleli khaya lobeka rape umfana noma lokugcekeza kwendeke ekhaya. You definitely start with the trauma victim. The victim is always the priority. Yeah. Because anything can happen to them. After that, immediately after that, you deal with their environment. Because you need to obviously check, is there no re-traumatizing happening there? So you call in the family, okay, because nalo muntu nje usam counselor, utawusho ma-triggers, utawaveta. So lawo ma-triggers, labanye bangeke bawanake ekhaya, ukhanze ukuthi hayi wena, yabo, it's a 4-year-old lo khuluma ngama triggers, 15-year-old big brother does So kufuna ke bese sekubitwa le family ke ngamunye ke. So yafundziseka ukuthi look umfana u-traumatized nani ni-traumatized futhi cause kwakona nje lokho ukuthi big brother am-treat-e kanje utokhanza ukuthi there's a sense of naye uyatisola, sense of guilt, sense of, so in a way I'm trying to distance you so that you don't trigger my memory of how I should have protected you.
True. So lastly, when do you seek help? When do you see that I know it's really bad, I need to go see Velile? So
definitely there are then those levels where kuhamba akusakhoneki. So the first and foremost is that kuba nalama flashbacks. Usahleti nje lokusikhuluma nje ngiyalo lana ncinge ngaba ukanginaki nje ngiyalo ncele wena khala lento le yendeka back at university mabagahlada lezivalo basiwisa kwangena abantu batokuthathela tinto takho. So ngilama flashbacks, intrusive thoughts or flashbacks or intrusive dreams. That's the biggest one. And then secondly, you feel emotionally numb. And you remember when I said kuti kunale fight or flight. Yeah. Le flight ingagwenda kune fight, flight and even freeze. So kuyendeka ke ukuthi ufreeze. Maybe kude le trauma kuleso simo leso but uthi khanze nje ufreezile just because uveliphunga ukuthi lo muntu utokhanze usile rapist baneyane smell thide incebe kanuka inhloko or bekane perfume thide. So leyo khanze ukuthi kwendlula umuntu nayo uyifakile, that can literally make you freeze. So dealing with that as well, that you'd have to seek help, because what if 10 people like that smell? And then also you feel unsafe generally. Kukuphuma nje, you feel unsafe when you feel like your world is under a lot of threat. So you do definitely need to seek help. And also insomnia, inability to fall asleep, inability to stay asleep, inability to engage in the activities that you previously loved so much, and even inability to socialize. Loss of appetite even. That can be a sign of you needing further assistance or professional help.
Thank you so much, professional, for being with us with the professional help. They've learned a lot on today's topic. Trauma, a very, very important one. And the rest of the team, God bless you. We love you.